So, Norma Cazares for 5 minutes.
Thank you for this opportunity here. Again, my name is Norma Cazares. Just a little bit about me for those of you that don't know me. I am a 30-year plus resident of Chula Vista. I've been here since 1975, raised my family here and that. Pretty active in the community, and I decided back in 2006 that it was time to have an elected city attorney here in the city of Chula Vista. And for a number of reasons which I want to share with you. But what I'm going to stick to today, I'm actually going to stick to my script today, because otherwise I'll go all over the page and go off on tangents and eat up all my time. So I wanted to mention to you whether, in fact, you're familiar with Article 2 of the California Constitution. And to remind you of it, since it's been a while since your political science class, basically what that says is all political power is inherent in the people. Government is instituted for their protection, security, and benefit, and they have the right to alter or reform it when the public good may require. Basically, this came about back in early 1900s, and that's when the progressive era governor, Hiram Johnson, and along with a gentleman by the name of Dr. John Rankin Case, led the successful fight for direct democracy in California. And basically back then, they made unprecedented governmental changes, including the introduction of the initiative, the referendum, and recall at the state and local levels. Basically what happened is they came to understand that the people have a right to protect themselves when a government fails to govern in a manner that is in the best interest of its citizens, thus providing for a stronger democracy. Such is the case here, such is the case in a citizen-driven initiative here in Chula Vista, and basically to change the city charter from an appointed city attorney to one that is elected and sufficiently independent of the council and the city officials. The initiative will appear as Proposition Q on your ballot. Currently, the city attorney only represents the interests of those involved in the appointment. Who are they? The mayor and the city council, not the interests of Chula Vista residents and taxpayers who pay their salary. Chula Vista deserves an attorney who will represent and be responsible to the people and act in the best interest of the public, while still ensuring that the proper checks and balances are in place to oversee an elected city attorney. And what does that mean? Well, unlike in San Diego, the elected city attorney for Chula Vista will have to seek city council approval in order to pursue lawsuits, and that, of course, will be preventing the expenditure of taxpayer money for unnecessary litigation. And additionally, as one of the fastest growing cities in the country, and the 14th largest in the state, Chula Vista has outgrown, I feel, its current form of government and deserves to join other cities with elected city attorneys. What would drive common folk like myself and many others involved in this perfect law-abiding type citizens to go through this long, arduous, and expensive process of moving this initiative forward? The answer is love for our community, and sadly enough also, a loss of confidence in our local government. There's a distrust and certainly a disconnect between the electorate and elected officials of our city. We have reached a point that there must be some form of separation of power to correct deficiencies within the present system. And Chula Vista, an elected city attorney, would help stop the unethical behavior, corruption, and backroom deals, including these. In May 2005, the appointed city attorney helped form the Chula Vista Redevelopment Corporation or Commission. Originally, the mayor and the city council were members, and most of them collected monthly stipends, even though no meetings were ever held. The only reason the stipend payments were later reimbursed was because of public pressure, thanks to all of you. March 2006, the appointed city attorney had determined that the committee in support of Proposition C, remember the Proposition C, the initiative against eminent domain, could not supplement the signatures of the original filing. And this was actually mostly due to miscommunications with the city clerk's office. And then later they agreed that they could. Also, the challenging of over 20,000 signatures back in May 2007, and then July in 2008, The city attorney failed to prevent the preparation of deceptive ballot measures to change the tax on utilities in Chula Vista. And that was drafted by the mayor to sound like a tax decrease. The measure of actually would have challenged the definition of utilities. So I've run out of time. I've run out of time. And so ask me some questions and we'll finish it up. Thank you.
Actually, there will be no questions, but thank you for that prompting.
Good evening. My name is Rudy Ramirez. I am one of your city councilmen. Thank you very much for hosting this forum, Southwest Civic Association. And thank you all of you for taking the time to come out and be a little more informed about what's going on in your community. I am a long life resident of Chula Vista also. In fact, Norma Cazares, my sort of political awareness came about really through Norma Cazares and some of the work that she started with South Bay Forum and work that she'd done previous to that. And so I have nothing but the utmost respect for Norma